Ace shooter Ryan Bramwell overcame missing a day of competition to outshot his opponents to win gold at the recent Florida Extreme Pistol competition. Jamaica picked up 3 more medals, 1 silver and 2 bronze from the country's 17-member contingent. Denise Walters has the details.
Despite missing the first day due to airline delays, Ryan Bramwell delivered an extraordinary 20 of 30 courses of fire in a single day to win first place in the optics senior category. He posted a 2,227-point win over American Patel Samir, who finished 138 points behind. A standout recovery by Bramwell, who recorded only 2 misses across the event. Christopher Nunes, competing in the Optics Division Super Senior category, finished 3rd, narrowly missing 2nd place to American John Coppy by less than a point, while Coppy's teammate Joseph Hart won the category. On the women's side, Florence Golding, who also officiated at the main match, secured 2nd place in the Production Ladies category. Meanwhile, Renee Rickey, competing in the Production Optics Ladies Division, finished 3rd, which is 2 places up from the 5th place she finished in the same competition a year ago. The competition served as a critical warm-up for the Jamaican athletes, building momentum and depth across the new optics division. Also, this performance marked another strong step in preparation for the Pan American Handgun Championships in Aruba in August, as well as the local national championships. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.